Hello everyone and Happy New Year! In this video, we'll take a closer look at the Lucky Ladybug by Joshua Ray and Deuce Gala. This is one of those effects that does not require any complicated sleight of hand, but delivers a significant impact to your audience. The Lucky Ladybug has been around for a while, and is not a new release, but I only recently picked it up. However, it is one of those timeless effects that still packs a punch in any close-up performance. The routine starts with 3 cards, each with a picture of a log on one side and pictures of ladybugs on the other. During the performance, one of the ladybugs mysteriously vanishes and appears in an unexpected location. The Lucky Ladybug comes in this very nice packaging. Opening the box, the link to the tutorial is printed on the lid. You'll then find the pack of ladybugs, some stickers, and the 3 cards. The cards are durable, smooth plastic. They are not air cushion or anything, but they handle well. Being plastic, you can clean them with a damp cloth when they get dirty. The ladybugs seem to be made of wood, though they come in different sizes, ranging from approximately 12mm in length and 7.5 to 8.5mm in width. Note that the wooden ladybugs are not custom made for the effect. They are found items, which means that you can source them from arts and crafts stores or online. But if you do not want to go through the hassle of that, very affordable refills are available on deucegala.com. You can get 50 ladybugs for $5 or you can get bulk discounts of 200 ladybugs for $15 or 300 ladybugs for $20. You can also get the 3 cards only for $12 if you want to replace them. If you buy the Lucky Ladybug from other dealers, there is only the standard variant with the 3 cards and 20 ladybugs. However, on deucegala.com, you can get the worker set with 70 ladybugs for $24. There is also a pro set with 150 ladybugs for $28. The main tutorial is 18 minutes long, where Joshua Ray goes through how to perform the effect. You will also get 3 other videos. There is a 3-minute worker's guide and a 14-minute director's commentary. You will also get a PDF with the script and instructions. The routine taught in the tutorial is easy to do and straightforward. It is very beginner friendly and you'll learn it in no time. For magicians who get this, you might play around with the cards to come up with your own handling. While the tutorial and commentary includes many tips like pocket management and audience management, the commentary might feel a little repetitive for those with experience in card magic. Also, when you first get it, it requires a bit of a knack to handle the ladybug consistently, but you eventually get it with practice. The Lucky Ladybug is perfect for close-up magicians or walk-around magicians, and even hobbyists looking for a fun and interactive routine. Ladybugs are thought to bring good fortune and happiness. There are also cultural tales like the Japanese legend of the Tentomushi.
I was told there is a spot on his back for each of the 7 sorrows of the world. Tentomushi is not lucky. It holds all the bad luck so that others may live in peace.
Thus, this effect has a huge storytelling potential, which makes it very versatile. If you like effects like the web or double cross where something magical happens in the audience's hands, you might want to check out Lucky Ladybug by Joshua Ray and Deuce Gala. So, what do you think of the Lucky Ladybug? Let me know in the comments below. On a separate note, the channel has passed 2,000 subscribers. Thank you to all you subscribers and viewers. I have not been posting as much recently because life has gotten a little busy for me, but I hope to be posting more videos in 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.